Alright, so I got the Ace Hardware 50mm lock here. Just a generic Ace Hardware lock. See if I can get it open here. I've opened this several times already. Had a lot of trouble with it at first. Little counter rotation, or sorry, little false set there. I think I missed it. Yeah, let's start over. A little bit more of a false set. And there we go. Got it open. Yep, Ace Hardware 50mm. I think it's got at least one security pin in it, but once you pick it a couple times, it's pretty easy pick. So there you go.